In this video, we will learn about how to calculate surface area of sphere. Actually, we should not be calling it areas because sphere has only one surface. So let's call it surface area of sphere. Now all of us are familiar with sphere, and the most common example of sphere is ball. So all of us have seen ball. So ball is a common example of sphere. So we have tennis ball, we have basketball, we have table tennis ball, we have many games have ball, and we represent like this. And what is the measure of a sphere is the diameter. So we can always measure diameter, and then therefore we can calculate the radius. So radius, how? Radius is equal to half of diameter. So it means for sphere we need only one measure, and that is radius. So once we know the radius, we know the sphere. So now what is the surface area of a sphere? So the surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. So it means the area, the surface is all around it. I can show you. I have this speaker here which looks like sphere, and you can see that this is the surface area. This is all around we go, it's a surface. So the surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So if suppose r is 3 centimeter, if we are talking of 3 centimeter, then the surface area will become 4 into 3.14 into r square, means 3 square. So this, if we can calculate, surface area will be 113.04 centimeters square. Again, because this is area, we will write in centimeters square. Now suppose we cut a sphere into two parts, then what do we get? If we cut a sphere into two parts, then we get what is called a half of the sphere. So half of a sphere is called what? Is called hemisphere. Is called hemi. Hemi means half. So here is a sphere. We just cut it and remove the bottom part. Then this is hemisphere. Hemisphere. Hemi means half. Hemi means half. For example, Earth is also like a sphere, and then we have two hemisphere. We call it north hemisphere and south hemisphere. We living in India are living in north hemisphere, whereas countries like Australia and New Zealand are in the south hemisphere of the earth. And as it is half, so now this is the curved surface. The curved surface area for a hemisphere will be equal to half of full sphere. So instead of 4 pi r, it will be 2 pi r square. So this is for hemisphere surface area. And again, if the hemisphere, if you are saying that this is closed here, there is a lid here, then this will be a circle, and the area of the circle will be pi r square. So if we take the curved surface, and this is a plane surface, this will be a plane surface. If we include this also, plane surface also, then the total area will become 3 pi r square, not cube, square only. So 3 pi r square. So 2 plus 1. So basically what we have learned in this video, we have learned how to calculate its surface area of a sphere, and if we are talking of hemisphere, the area will be half, and if we are also talking of the the bottom lid closing the hemisphere, then we will add the area of the circle. So closed. So the area of the full sphere is 4 pi r square, and area of semi or hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and the area of this plane surface is like a circle, and which is pi r square. Thank you.